Today concept name is Selenium. So already we introduction of Selenium already we discussed. Just once again we will discuss roughly once again. What is Selenium? What is Selenium? Selenium is nothing but it is a software. Selenium is nothing but it is a software. So today concept is Selenium. So already successfully we completed Java. So today concept is Selenium. What is Selenium? Selenium is nothing but it is a software. Selenium is nothing but it is a software which contains.
Okay. I think we did Selenium in the last class on
Oh,
last Sunday.
already finished it.
The Selenium Spinoza. You were talking about you say you're going to talk about the concept of Selenium.
Yes,
There are 18.
it
Yeah.
is a software which contains some SDA programs. Some SDA programs. So, today our concept is Selenium Webdriver. What is Selenium Webdriver? Selenium Webdriver is nothing but it is a software which contains some SDA programs. Selenium Webdriver is nothing but it is a software which contains some SDA programs. These SDA programs we need to configure into one user interface. 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 In the place of user interface, we are using Eclipse. We are using Eclipse. Eclipse is nothing but it is a powerful editor to write the Java programs. If you want to write the Java programs, even developers also, they will use Eclipse. So today first concept of how to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse. So once again, I will repeat you, madam. And today class also I will take you, madam. Yesterday class extension only, today class, madam. It's very, very important, madam. Yesterday class, today class. Okay. Yesterday class, how to work with WebDriver already we discussed. Once again, I will show you, madam. So already we have Selenium WebDriver programs on desktop, madam. These are the Selenium WebDriver programs. We have 37 programs, madam. These 37 programs we need to configure into Eclipse, ma'am. So already we have Eclipse. Go to Eclipse. How to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse. Today first concept of how to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse. Last class, once again I will repeat you, madam. Have you practiced, ma?
Well, I've gone through the notes.
Okay. So go to Project Explorer, take the new project, Java project, click on next. I'm creating one project. First of all, I'm creating project name is WD11111. I'm taking one project, click on finish. Next, we need to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse. How to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse? That is the first concept. So this is very, very important, madam. So right click on project, go to properties, Java build path, libraries, add external jars, choose all jars. Already we have on desktop. We need to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse. Control all, open. Okay. Now this is Selenium WebDriver, not Eclipse. It is a Selenium WebDriver. Go to SRC, take the new class. And taking the class name is WD1. Keep the mark public static void menu. Click on finish. Right. Preferences. General, appearance, color and fonts. Increase the text size. So actually it is in 10. Just make it 16 or 18. Click on OK. Apply. OK. All right. So we learned one line from Java. What is that line, ma? Interface name, reference name equal to new class name. WebDriver,
Yeah.
reference name WD equal to new Firefox driver. Right?
Firefox.
If you want to work with any application, WD dot get http gmail.com. I want to work with Gmail page, so I'm giving gmail.com. Next, wd dot find element by dot xpath. I'm giving xpath dot send keys. I'm giving my Gmail ID AkhilReddy HYD 1. So this is the click. This is also click. So in between, after entering username and after click on next button, it is moving to next page. So it is taking 2 to 1 second time. So in between, we should write one wait statement. Here I'm writing wait statement. Thread dot sleep. It is a wait statement. So I'm mentioning here 2 seconds. That means 2000 milliseconds. That means 2 seconds. I'm giving wait statement. I'm writing wait statement here in between. After click on next button, it is taking some time. So that's the reason I'm writing wait statement. After writing the wait statement, it will show you underline. Just keep the cursor. So we can get option add throws declaration. Automatically interrupted exception it will add. Okay, right. Now go to Gmail. Now go to Gmail. Gmail.com. Gmail.com. So now open Firebug. Take the Gmail username. So I'm taking the username. So username XPath I'm taking. Copy here and paste here. Control V. And the next button username next button XPath take it. Activate. Next button XPath is this one. Copy here. Come here. Paste here. And once again go to after giving username. Just click on next button. So take the password XPath. Activate it. Take the password XPath. Copy. Paste here. And next sign in button XPath. Yes, I'm giving sign in button XPath. Copy. Paste here. Control V. So my password is Venkanna143. Save. Click on run. So this is the how to work with Gmail application. After this class, you can work with any application. After this class, you can work with any application. Only text box, select box, we will use send keys. Remaining button, radio button, checkbox, link or radio box, we will use click. This class already finished, right, madam?
Yes. What a day.
This class, last class finished. Right. It will enter username. and it will click next button, and it will enter password. It will click on sign in button. All right, my account is disabled. Okay, no problem. So this is the session already we discussed. This is the session already we discussed. Today concept name is property file. Today concept name is property file. Today concept name is property file. Just extension, madam. Property file. Today concept name is properties file. Not only using XPath, not only using XPath, we can give the properties also. Not only using XPath, we can give the properties also. There are two ways. One is directly we can give the properties in main test. Directly we can give the properties in main test. Second way, we need to create the property file. We need to create the property file, and we will keep the all the properties. We will keep the all the properties. We will keep the all the properties, with alias names, alias names in the file. We need to create the property file, and we will keep all the properties with alias names in the file, and we will attach with main test. We will attach with main test using the properties. Using that information, Selenium will identify the web element. Selenium will identify the web elements. Web elements. This is the concept, property file concept. Not only using XPath, we can take the other properties also. There are two ways. One is directly we can give the properties in the main test. Second way, we need to create the property file and we need to attach with main test, and using that information, Selenium will identify the web elements. So next concept, today concept is property file. Very important concept. Only in India people only they will use XPath. Outside India, UK or Australia and USA and Ireland, New Zealand, and all the people they are using property file concept only. Property file is very important concept, madam. Just concentrate, madam. Just yesterday session extension only. Yesterday session extension only, ma. Now come to concept. So I gave XPath. Not only XPath, each and every web element having different properties. What are the properties each and every web element having? So see, I want to go to username field. So see, username field, ID property, name property, value property, all are properties highlighted in the line. So this is the line, highlighted line. These are the properties. Your ID property, type property, name property, value property. We have different properties. For example, I'm taking ID property. ID property is email. ID property is email. Not only using XPath, we can take the properties also. I'm taking email. ID property I'm taking copy. Only directly we can give the properties in the main test. I'm giving only ID property. ID. 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 Username ID I know. Email. Next button ID I know. NEXT. I know NEXT. Password ID I know. Pause. Sign in ID I know. Right. This is the way. First way. Directly we can give the properties in main test. Save. Click on run. Directly we can give the properties in main test. Directly we can give the properties in main test. This is the first way. Directly we can give the properties in main test. This is the first way. It will give username. It will click on next button. It will enter password. It will click on sign in button. This is one way. Over. Second way, we need to create the property file. How to create the property file? Very concentrate, madam. Very important, madam. Right click on package. If you are not taking package, right click on default package. How to create property file? Right click on default package. Go to new. Go to other. General. File. Give the file name. File name is Raj. Click on finish. I created one property file. Just copy the path. Property file path. Copy. Go to properties. Copy the path. Copy here. Come to concept. Here two more lines extra we should write, madam. Properties P equal to new properties. Properties P equal to new properties. File input stream FIS equal to new file input stream path of the property file. Give the path. Already I copied path, and whenever you want to import or export, we should use double backslash. Double slash. Here we have only single slash. Keep double slash. This is the property file path. We should mention double slash. Alright. Next. P dot load FIS. Properties. Java.util. File input stream. File input stream. After writing add throws declaration. File not found exception. Add throws declaration IO exception. Enough. Here I am giving alias name A. Here I am giving alias name B. Here I am giving alias name C. I am giving alias name D. Come to Raj. Come to Raj now. Give properties. A equal to email. I know ID property. B equal to password. PASSWD. C equal to no. Next. NE. Next. Next. C equal to password. PASSWD. D equal to sign in. SIGN caps IN. Sign in. Save. Click on run. I gave with alias name. That alias names I mentioned here. Oh, wait. P dot get property A. P dot get property B. P dot get property C. I gave with alias names. P dot get property D. Enough. This is the second way, madam. Save, click on run. So first one is directly we can give the property. Second way we need to create the property file. Password wrong. P should be cap. Save. So this is the property file concept. Directly we can give the properties in the main test. Second way, property file creation, madam. So basics of Selenium over, madam. You should practice, madam. You should practice. That's your choice. If you do hard work, then you can play with Selenium. Otherwise, just Selenium play with you. So this is the concept is over. Practice it, practice it, practice it. If you have doubt, any doubt in the middle of the while doing practice at any time, 24/7 toll free number, call it 9440592994.